Today we are making French air fryer flageolet croquettes with spring herbs, perfect for Easter. This makes 4 servings and takes about 35 minutes from start to finish. Let us cook. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked flageolet beans, well drained and patted dry. These are the classic French beans often served at Easter with lamb. 75 grams of fine dry breadcrumbs, divided. Part binds the croquettes, and the rest makes a light coating. 2 ounces of grated Comté cheese. It adds nutty French flavor and helps the mix hold. 1 large egg to bind the croquettes. 1 small shallot, finely minced, for delicate sweetness. 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, for aroma. 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, divided. Most goes in the mix, and a little finishes the sauce. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh tarragon for a true French herb note. The zest of 1 lemon for bright aroma. 1/2 cup of plain yogurt to make a quick dipping sauce. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for the sauce. Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon for the mixture plus 1 teaspoon for the sauce. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon, divided for brushing and the basket. 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt for balanced seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper for gentle heat. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, then brush the basket with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add the cooked flageolet beans to a large bowl and mash with a fork until about half are mashed and half stay chunky. Stir in the minced shallot, the minced garlic, the zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 1 tablespoon of chopped tarragon. Add the grated Comté, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well until evenly combined. Add 50 grams of the breadcrumbs to the bowl and mix until the mixture holds together. Reserve 25 grams for coating. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes so the breadcrumbs fully hydrate. With damp hands, shape the mixture into 12 small ovals, about 2 tablespoons each. Roll each croquette lightly in the reserved 25 grams of breadcrumbs to coat. Brush the croquettes all over with the remaining 30 milliliters of olive oil. Place the croquettes in a single layer in the preheated basket, leaving space between them. Cook in batches if needed. Air fry at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes, until the tops are lightly golden. Flip the croquettes carefully, then air fry 5 to 6 more minutes, until they are deeply golden and crisp. Transfer the cooked croquettes to a warm plate and repeat with any remaining croquettes. Make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 120 grams of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley until smooth. Plate the croquettes with a small bowl of the lemon Dijon yogurt sauce and let them rest for 1 minute. Serve the croquettes hot with the sauce on the side for dipping. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this French Easter bite, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new recipe.